Imagine for a moment that you're back in 2010. The world is just beginning to hear about a new form of digital money, something called Bitcoin. Intriguing as it is, it seems more like a technological curiosity than a true investment opportunity. But you, driven by curiosity and a hunch, decide to take a risk. With only $1,000, you buy a significant amount of this novel digital currency, not knowing that you're about to make the most momentous financial decision of your life. Fast forward to the present. That initial investment, considered by many to be a risky bet, has transformed into a fortune. As the world continues to debate and marvel at the phenomenon of cryptocurrencies, you are living a reality that many can only dream of. But how did this happen? How could such a small investment in emerging technology change the course of your financial life? Today, we'll take you through this amazing journey. From the humble beginnings of Bitcoin to its stellar rise, we'll explore how the power of compound interest and a long-term vision can turn dreams into tangible realities. Get ready to discover the story of one of the most extraordinary investments of our time and how you could apply these lessons to your own path toward financial freedom. Bitcoin is not just a currency, it's a technological revolution. Born from a desire to create a decentralized financial system free from the influence of banks and governments, this cryptocurrency promised a new type of financial freedom. But what made Bitcoin so special? At its core, Bitcoin is a combination of advanced cryptographic principles and a decentralized network known as blockchain. This technology not only secures transactions but also creates a public and immutable ledger of all operations. Essentially, Bitcoin allowed people to conduct transactions directly with each other, without the need for intermediaries. Now, let's talk about compound interest, the silent hero of our story. Compound interest is essentially the interest you earn on interest, making your investment grow at an exponential rate over time. In the case of Bitcoin, those who invested and held onto their investment despite market fluctuations saw their value grow unimaginably. Here lies a crucial lesson. Patience and a long-term vision are vital in the world of investments. But how does all this translate into numbers? Let's look at a concrete example. If you had invested $1,000 in Bitcoin in early 2010, when its value was just a few cents, and maintained that investment until today, your initial investment would have multiplied by thousands of times. Such growth defies traditional investment expectations and shows us the power of adopting emerging technologies and thinking long-term. This Bitcoin phenomenon didn't just change the lives of a few early lucky investors. It changed the way the world views money, investment, and the potential of decentralized technologies. But as with every success story, it also comes with its lessons of caution and wisdom. To bring this incredible story to life, let me tell you about some people who did exactly what we've been talking about. Take, for example, someone who was one of the first to believe in the potential of Bitcoin. They bought several thousand Bitcoins for a few dollars. Years later, that investment turned into a sum that exceeded any expectations. But it wasn't just luck. It was a combination of vision, patience, and, of course, a bit of audacity. And then there are the stories of those who sold too soon. People who, seeing a small increase in value, decided to capitalize on their investment early, only to realize years later that they had missed a golden opportunity. These stories teach us that in the world of investments, especially something as volatile as cryptocurrencies, timing can be your greatest ally or your worst enemy. But beyond individual stories, what Bitcoin really shows us is a paradigm shift in the financial world. A system once dominated by traditional currencies and regulated markets is now witnessing the birth and explosive growth of digital assets that defy the norm. This analysis leads us to an important question: is this the future of investment? Are we witnessing a new era of financial opportunities? The answer, although complex, points to a world where diversification and adaptability will be key. Cryptocurrencies, with Bitcoin at the forefront, are not just a passing fad. They are a sign of ongoing evolution in how we understand and manage value in a digitally connected world. With this in mind, it's essential to understand that investing in cryptocurrencies is not without risks. Volatility, regulatory changes, and technological challenges are just some of the considerations that investors must take into account. But as we have seen, those who have navigated these waters with intelligence and a long-term vision have found in Bitcoin not just an investment, but an adventure that has redefined what it means to be an investor in the 21st century. Now that we've explored the meteoric rise of Bitcoin and heard some of the stories behind its pioneering investors, it's time to ask ourselves, what can we learn from all this? And more importantly, if you're considering diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, what do you need to know to make informed and prudent decisions? First, the long-term vision. As we've seen with Bitcoin, great rewards often come with patience and perseverance. In the fast-paced world of investment and instant gratifications, maintaining a long-term perspective can be challenging, but it's also where true growth potential lies. Second, the importance of education and research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, it's crucial to understand what it is, how it works, and what factors can affect its value. Education is your best tool for navigating such a volatile and constantly evolving market. Third, never underestimate volatility. Cryptocurrencies can be incredibly volatile and as such, require an investment approach that can handle significant fluctuations. This means not investing more than you're willing to lose and considering how a cryptocurrency investment fits within your broader investment portfolio. Fourth, diversification is key. Although the success stories of Bitcoin are impressive, putting all your eggs in one basket is never a wise strategy. Diversifying your investments can help mitigate risks and capitalize on opportunities across different market areas. Fifth, prepare for an exciting journey. Investing in cryptocurrencies is not for the faint-hearted. It's a world of highs and lows, of innovations and challenges. But for those who venture forth with knowledge, caution, and an open mind, it can be an incredibly rewarding experience. In summary, the story of Bitcoin is not just one of unexpected riches, it's a lesson in risk, reward, and revolution in the financial world. Whether you decide to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies or not, these lessons are valuable for any type of investment. And remember, the path to financial freedom isn't always easy, but with the right strategy and mindset, it's a journey worth taking. As we reflect on Bitcoin's astonishing trajectory, it's impossible not to be impressed by the impact it has had on the financial world and beyond. What began as a small ripple in a digital pond has become a giant wave that has redefined what it means to invest and manage money. Bitcoin has not only created millionaires but has also sparked a global debate about the future of money and investment. This journey through the world of Bitcoin shows us that we are living in an era of unprecedented change and opportunity. Technology is reshaping not only how we invest but also how we think about value and wealth. In a world where the digital is becoming ever more central to our lives, cryptocurrencies represent a natural evolution of our financial systems. But as with any significant change, come challenges and responsibilities. As investors, entrepreneurs, or simply curious citizens, we have the responsibility to educate ourselves, to understand the risks, and to approach this new era with an open and critical mindset. The future of money may be digital, but our approach must always be human, thoughtful, reflective, and always learning. And now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? Have you considered investing, or have you already taken the step? Share your experiences and opinions in the comments. And if you liked this video, please give it a like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Together, we can navigate this exciting and sometimes bewildering world of digital investments. Keep researching, learning, and most importantly, making informed financial decisions. See you in the next video.